I know some of y'all might have been wondering what was going on shop wise, Audi wise, truck wise. Well, fact of the matter is, I'm sitting watching the Audi, checking for leaks and putting her back together. We had a lot of issues in terms of plastic bits, given it's a 26-year-old car. Shit happens, right? Anyhow, ended up ordering a whole new hose for this radiator setup. I went through a bunch of gobbledygook trying to get other parts and doing stuff to work. FCP Euro, should have done that from the get-go. Just order the damn hose and had it within a couple of days instead of it stretching out for so many weeks. But also had other stuff going on. Either way, up, running, functional. Have no engine codes now, which I was having before. A lot of misfire action. Aside from doing all the timing belt stuff, I can tell you that there are cam position sensors all over this thing, and some of those plugs were jacked up. Anyhow, I ended up ordering some, replacements, and fixing the wiring harness. Again, once you're so far into that kind of crap, you just keep doing stuff, right? Can't necessarily say what was what, but I was covering my ass, so she's done. Idling smooth as all get out. No jippity jumps. Just putting in the headlights before we go throw the bumper on. I am officially a month and a half behind on tags. So I need to at least get this thing running. North Carolina they run interest on that stuff if you don't get it done. So that's where we're at. You can tell, look at all I'm going to say that's a healthy mix of pollen and dust, though the yellowishness looks more like pollen, which is awesome. You can tell where I had some parts sitting. So anyhow, slap this thing back together and go from there. Truck wise, still on the lift. Do have the rocker panel in. This guy sees the last of my efforts, period. So just need to throw the fenders back on, throw the battery trays on, throw the batteries in it, get the thing off the lift, get this off the lift, get the truck onto this lift to get the body mounts done, and then take it off the lift, put the bed on the lift, bring the truck back in to put the bed back on the truck, and then she'll at least be rolling. She might be ugly for a little bit, but she'll be moving.